The tool bear was saying that Crescent has been making lower quality hand tools lately, but this one was so pretty I had to pick it up. I kind of like the Crescent brand. It's a thing of beauty. Super sharp tip. There's a plastic guard I need to put back on. And I was able to get this staple that was flush to the surface out without making any kind of real gouge. The staple was actually inserted a little bit. It's actually it's down on the wood quite a bit. So staple it to gouge, and I was able to get it out without making a new gouge. Real sharp tip. Nice tool. The finish is what sold me. It's a thing of beauty. Just had to buy it, even though it was about 16 bucks. Real sharp. It's better than the other pry bars I have in terms of how sharp it is. Able to get in and under. And yeah, you do need to keep the little guard on it because it's sharp. And a little bit of a hammer to get into small places. The only thing I'd like to see better would be to raise the profile of this head just a little bit more. Maybe taper it in just a little bit, like an upside down ice cube on top of here. Just to raise it just a little bit higher so I can get into moldings real easy. That's what this was really handy for, was trying to pound into, of course I should have got a nail set. So I bought it as a somewhat better alternative to this guy. And man, I don't know why these staples are on this board. Another one, worse than the other one. This is really pressed in.